Welcome back to our channel. I'm Andy, one of the HVAC service managers here at Thornton and Grooms. Today we're going to be talking about heat pumps, what they do, and answering some common questions that have been coming up within the last few years or so about heat pumps. First up, what is a heat pump? Basically, it's an energy efficient device that transfers heat from one area to another for both heating and air conditioning seasons. So how does it work? Basically, it uses a refrigeration cycle to transfer that heat. So you can use it for either heating mode or cooling mode. In heating mode, the refrigeration cycle is reversed essentially from the AC mode to where it actually pulls the available heat outside. And then when you use it in the air conditioning, it just kind of goes back to the other flow to where it just takes the heat from inside and takes it outside, and it's cooled back off and then sent back inside to cool the home and remove the humidity. Heat pumps are electric. It uses the compressor and all that stuff that you would usually use for AC. It just reverses it for the heating mode, so you use the same components. In Michigan, you're going to need a secondary heat source for where it gets really cold, because usually the heat pumps aren't going to be able to satisfy the homes where you need a secondary source of heat, whether it be your gas furnace. You do need a secondary heat source in those a few times of the year. To piggyback off of the last question, it replaces technically your air conditioner because it does dual modes, but you're not going to be able to do away with your furnace. How well do they work in Michigan? Well, if you're below that freezing point, that's where the efficiency kind of comes into play. It'll still work. You can produce heat, but usually it's not to the satisfaction of what a homeowner wants. So that you need that secondary heat that you want and the house needs to stay warm. Do you need a special thermostat? Thermostat that you need would be compatible with heat pumps. The verbiage on a thermostat should say, you can or cannot use with a heat pump. It's just there's a different terminal on them that sends a different signal outside to the condenser to switch a valve for heating or cooling mode. If that thermostat does not have that feature, then it won't work with a heat pump. But usually, if you're going down the path of a heat pump, the thermostat recommendation usually comes with it that works with the components you have in the house. So there you have it. A heat pump can be a smart, efficient, eco-friendly solution to have in your home, especially in Michigan. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe and keep the questions coming.